Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding to Amara Raja. Friends, I already mentioned that Amara Raja working on lithium-ion batteries and they are in trial runs on auto. That means three-wheeler. And I seen those autos in Renugunta and Tirupati in AP. And friends, they announced this week that it's official. They are going to kept a lithium ion cell technology hub in India in Tirupati branch. That means they are keeping a separate vertical for their research and development of these lithium ion cells. And friends, they also announced that it's a pilot project, and they announced they taken this technology and this agreement from ISRO. That means they already given like 18,000 crores, 18 crores, I think, something previously in 2019 itself, and they made an agreement with Indian Space Research Organization to develop lithium ion cell in India itself. So we can expect a good product will come from Amara Raja. Friends, by going forward EVs and electric vehicle productions and some incentives on these auto sector, Narendra Modi sir announced 1.6 lakhs 6 lakh crores, I think, in recently. Under that chemical sector will given as 18,000 crores. Friends, with this 18,000 crores, Amara Raja batteries will get benefit under this PLI schemes. 18,000 crores, 1.6 lakhs crores. Here you seen this PLI scheme given by Narendra Modi sir. So friends, already government given some restrictions to 15 years old vehicles and scrappage policies, and governments also giving some benefits on tax exceptions of electrical vehicles. And going forward, Amara Raja announced they are first starting their production on two-wheelers and three-wheeler batteries. Why? Because they announced that these two-wheeler, three-wheelers are the commercial purpose vehicles, and they will see a good number of what you call revenue and ownershiping and of EV for four-wheelers. That means battery manufacturing for four-wheelers, which will gets higher cost. They will take some time, and they announced about that. And the CEO of Amara Raja's Vijay Anand expects by 2025 two and three-wheeler penetration will be touch 20 to 25% in the country. So to occupy this, they are expecting more on two-wheelers and three-wheelers. So I am going to say that this is the India's second largest manufacturing company of batteries for auto sector, friends. And one more company is there, that is Exide. That is the first company which has a market leader in lead acid storages, and it has not won the license from ISRO, but it also entered the space with a tie-up with Leclanc, a global energy storage solution provider. So they also having lithium ion battery manufacturing facilities in Gujarat. So Exide also is not a small company. It has its own strengths, but I am giving just information about both the companies today. And they mentioned some raw materials will taken from local manufacturers in lithium ion cells, but some critical minerals they have to import from other countries like Latin America and along with Australia. So friends, this is my view on Amara Raja and Exide batteries. So now entering into Amara Raja batteries also, okay. My concern is if Reliance Industries will announce any positive news on manufacturing of batteries, these shares will fall little bit. The pressure will be there in these two shares. So friends, this is my view on Amara Raja batteries. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share my channel.